Okay, so I'm streaming a second time, so that's a good sign, huh? I don't think I have as much energy today, but it's all right. The plan for today is I should probably understand this project a little more. Let me see what crates we're using. Let's see. Oh. I thought that this would have more third-party crates. I'm slightly disappointed, but it's okay because I think I know which ones I want to use. Dev native. Oh, that's cool. All right, well, I think I know a few that I'm gonna use. Bevy. Let's see. All right. We definitely need the LDtk one. That's probably what I'm going to be working on today. So, let's see. Copy. Okay. I'm going to keep a link to the repository. Oh, I need to close all my work. I have all my work tabs open. All right, so this looks like it's up to date, so that's good. Oh yeah, this is the other one I need. This, the LDtk support is built to work with this ECS tile map crate. So I'm gonna add that. Let's make sure it still runs. This one, okay, so it still runs, good. My favorite thing about this one is it's each tile has its own entity. So it's not just like it's not like a grid or something like that. So that makes it I think it's gonna make it easier to like have different tiles do specific things. Like, for example, if you have like a tile that's like a ground tile that's made of ice or something, um, you should be able to like separately make that tile like slippery. So I think that should be good. Jeez, there's a lot of examples. Oh, they do. They have an example. They have an LDtk example. Hi. Well, the basic example is pretty small. I wonder if we should first. All right. Well, I have LDtk right here. I have no idea how to use it. Let's see the examples. There's a 2D platformer example. Whoa. I really don't like the controls on here. Well, it's really like choppy. It doesn't move smoothly at all. Oh my. Oh, that's why. I was blocking the receptor, like not the receptor, but like the receiver for my mouse, so it was like I wasn't able to control my mouse. These look like, oh my god. I need to, okay, well that's the code example. I'm gonna, fuck, I can't type. LDtk. Need to learn how to use the tile map editor. Docs. Well, first, this was made by one of the creators of Dead Cells, by the way, so super cool. So it's designed for, I mean, he made it specifically for a Metroidvania style game. Okay, it uses JSON format. That's good. Skinning. All right. Yeah, it has tons of super advanced features. Gridvania, linear or free? I wonder what linear means. Any custom typed properties? Man, you can even make like paths with it. Look at that. Fighter. Oh, very cool. Sure the user experience feels just right. All right, let's check the docs. Okay, interface. I don't know. I think I'm just going to try to use it. That's kind of usually... Okay, how do I unload this project? Close project. No. Okay, we're going to create a new... I'm going to call this... Yeah, I'll just call it Glitch Strikers. Personal... let's make a new folder. I'm actually guessing I'm only going to have one file, but I'll just create a folder anyway. I just changed my mind. I'm not going to create a folder because I do think I'm only going to have one file. All right, let's see what we got here. Freely. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right. I think it's going to be Gridvania. Because we're going to have like different rooms and different areas connecting with each other. So I think that makes sense. Size in pixels of the large grid that will contain levels. What? I don't understand that. Gonna save. If I can figure out how to save, I'm gonna do that. Save project. Okay. I'm gonna reopen that example, and I'm hoping that that's like let's look at this Gridvania layout. I don't want to... I don't know if this is a global setting or if this is a specific setting. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's take a look at how this is set up. So the grid size, oh, weird. When you zoom out the settings, like that's... I guess it's because when you zoom out, you're going to want to be configuring the world. So it automatically switches to the world settings. And then when you zoom in, it automatically switches to layers. I think that's layers. I think I kind of have an idea of... I want to know if there's different... are there different types of grids? Let's try to find the world. I'm going to look at the world. Yeah, I mean, we already chose... What? That's all it says about world? There's... How is there not more info on the worlds page? back to docs. I thought people said that this has really good documentation. So far, I am not seeing that. Let's see, int grids are grids of integer values. It looks to me okay. I mean, I think I know. I think I know what it means. The world like has its own grid, and I'm guessing. Does each thing have an? Okay, I can see the grid lines. Look, the grid lines are like really big here, and then when you zoom in, the grid lines are smaller. So it looks like each. I think using their terminology, this is called a world, and then each of these is called a level. I would just call it a room, but anyway, it looks like levels have their own separate grid. So that means, I guess it's because the world like needs to connect with each other. So it does need to have its own grid. How big is 256? That's... Oh, wow, it tells you how many cells. That's really cool. Oh, okay. So 512. Okay, so 256 is 16 cells. Okay. All right. I think I'm happy with that setting. I guess I'm gonna explore this a little more, but whoa. I have no idea what I'm doing. Seems very cool though. Oh, I'm on the entities layer. The collisions would be the main. Okay, that. How do I stop that from blinking? All right. Collisions is probably the main, like the ground. Man, that's really cool. The auto tiling is so cool. Okay, it's pretty easy to use. All right, I'm gonna close this again and go back to my project. So I am doing, yeah, we'll do 256 by 256 for the world grid. And I think, oh wow, you can, I don't want it to be a square. Squares are stupid. All right, so let's make a level that is 2 world cells wide. Now let's try to figure out how to add a layer. Need at least one layer. How do I add a layer? Layers. Okay. Each level in your project has layers. The layers can be various types. Yeah, got it. Okay, these are the types of layers. Can we use some more collisions? Okay, I think the person that made this is not a native English speaker. Image tiles. Wait. Okay, so the grid. I'm guessing like the grid is the integer grid is basically each cell has its own integer, and then you can have the integer represent whatever you want. And in most cases, you would have it represent an image. I'm hoping you can also add additional information. Okay, and then entities. Okay, that's like enemies and all that. I'm guessing tiles is just like only images, so that would be like a background layer. Auto layer must be, yeah, looks like it's a layer based on another layer. So integer good. Looks like collision will be the name. Okay. Ground and stuff. All right. So yeah, we're doing 16. Parallax. Wow, it has built-in like parallax values. That's kind of cool. Okay, we're not going to worry about that now, but good to know. Is not being selected. Oh, okay. Color. Let's make it green because it's like ground, like grass. Okay, asynchronous render. That's fine. Dimensions of the optional secondary grid. Oh, I see. It's a little strange. I could see that being useful for the entity layer, but like, I don't think normal tile maps would be able to have a secondary. I don't know. It's probably mainly for entities. Values interface. Oh, I think that's if you want to have like preview images or like that would display on the map to make it easier to understand. Oh my God, do I have to literally? Whoa, okay. I'm gonna save and go back to the, how do I save? I already forgot how to save. I think it's save. Oh, Command S also. All right. Let's go back to our example project. Sure, whatever. Let's look at the collisions layer since that's the one that we care about. How do I edit layer settings? Let's see what they did. There's only 2 walls and water. Interesting. So it kind of makes sense because inside the game wouldn't really care about how the tiles look. So it only cares about the difference between like walkable ground and water. It looks like, so like that's the only actual data that's stored in the grid is 1 and 2. And then it looks like they have some sort of auto tiling feature that is making the ground, I guess they call it walls. I always just called it ground. Huh. So on this grid, these are actually just all ones. Interesting. So I kind of want to know, how does the auto edit rules? What the fuck? Documentation. Let's read about intgrid. Yeah. So it's literally just a grid of integers. Each value has an associated custom color. Oh, so even if you don't have graphics, you can still see the difference. Okay. Create a grid. Left click to draw, right click to erase. Shift click to draw a rectangle. Shift plus a single click. Okay. Tile layers. All right. Wait. This one I don't actually care about right now. I think I want to look at rules. Is that the auto tiling? Rules are grid patterns that decide if a specific tile should be painted on your layer. Simple rule. If you press Shift R. Oh, let's do that. Shift. Whoa. Okay. So that's the actual data. So like, this is all for the game logic. That's all the like engine. This is all the gameplay part of the game would see. Oh, you click. Man, I do not understand this. Oh, wow, I can turn off individual. Wow. That's cool. Man, so the Bevy importer is going to know how to handle all this? I sure hope so. Oh, the docs have barely any info. It doesn't even say how to. I do not understand how the rule thing works. I don't care about this right now. Thank you. They have a tile set linked to them. Oh. Create a tile set. Alright, I guess I need to read it more closely. Alright, I'm gonna go entities, tile sets. Okay, so these Sunnyland. Okay, so there's 2 tile sets in this project. Kind of I wonder why they spaced the tiles out like that. I guess were they having trouble with them like bleeding into each other? Because I think normally you just put them right next to each other. I guess it's just for logic. I don't know. Okay, so then I guess it's pretty normal to do like a separate tile set to use for icons. Oh my god, there's so many. Is this? I wonder if this is open source. Oh no, it says cannot be redistributed. Oh, Sunnyland. I actually saw that on itch.io, so I know what game this is from. Or what acid pack this is from. Okay. We're going to try to gonna try to add a tile set. Oh, is my tile? So I bought like an asset pack on itch.io. I mean, normally I would probably put all these in one file, but I don't really feel like messing with it right now. Let me see if this is on a grid. Well, no. Oh, maybe I should have opened an ace sprite. I don't even remember how to use the grid. Grid and axis. $16. What? How is that? How is that supposed to be 16? Oh, okay. I had to click the cursor and then it changed. Okay, well, it looks like it's already aligned to a grid. All right, because I don't really feel like messing around with images, I'm going to use that. Okay. 16. Oh, I see. Okay. So like this is actually where you would mark something like ice. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's supposed to be ice, but I think I'm not. Is there a separate? It seems like there must be a place. Yeah, there's actually like a separate place for managing enums. That's cool. Okay, so I have a tile set. I think I'm gonna try TK auto tile. Okay, let's try that.
Hey, welcome to my recording of explaining how to use Level Design Toolkit. This is one of my favorite tools that exists in the world right now. It's got so many cool properties to it. So this is for creating 2D games. I just want to go over how to create tile sets and everything else in there. I have two different ones I'm going to kind of do here. These are actually, these are 32 by 32. Okay, so now we have these 32 by 32 ones, right? I'm also going to add in the other tile set of small, right? So these ones are going to be 16 by 7. they're very handy. So I have this one's just going to be dirt small because you can get away with integers in. Now to actually be able to use them, you need to go to layers, and we're going to add a layer. You can get away with integer grid. This is the first version of it. So we're going to just call this one layer identifier. We'll call it the small one. Smaller dirt. Yeah, whatever. And we'll add an icon of small dirt small. And then we'll give it some qualifiers.
Wait, how did he get that icon?
Small dirt small, whatever. And we'll add an icon.
Oh, you can use a tile set as an icon?
Of small dirt small. And then we'll give it some qualifiers. I don't know. It seems like I'm not really paying attention to what I'm doing, but I really am. Tile set small. And yeah, we're just gonna.
Oh, there's a spot for it.
Pretty cool. We gotta edit the rules to these things as we go. So we're gonna create a new rule.
I'm gonna yeah, here it is. All right. Kill tiles. The select tile layer contain. Oops. The select tile container. Wow. So if you have another. Very interesting. You can cancel out. Oh, wow. And you can choose what biome. Each layer can have its own biome. Wow. Cool.
I like to use the assistant when I start. So what I'll end up doing is actually just clicking through each of these.
Wait.
And maybe we're just gonna create we gotta edit the rules to these things as we go. So we're gonna create a new rule. I like to use the assistant when I start. So what I'll end up doing is actually just clicking through each of these and making the tile set that works for this. And it's just a nice way to lightly build out the first version of this, right? So in this one, we have that. We also have the straightaway dirt, where there's nothing extra to it. And then we have this one, which is a lone dirt island. This one, which is a pillar of dirt.
All right.
And that thing. And that'll cover all we really need for the simplest version of this rule set. Now I'm going to switch to advanced rules because it just makes it easier. But right now I can draw out this thing and.
All right, let's see if we can do that. How did he get to that? Auto layer tutorial? Oh. There's a tutorial. Oh, well, this is the same page I was on. click on the rules button. Open the layers panel. Select. Click on the new rules button in the layer list on the left. I don't even see a rules button in this picture. There's no rules button. Current level. Close. Oh. Okay. Rules. You can use a different tile set in each level. Okay. Click the rules button. Create a new rule group. Use assistant. We did it. Pick a value. Oh. Do I actually need... It's probably fine if I have extra. Let's just do one. Wait, can I name that? Anyway, we're doing one. So why does this look weird? What? I'm pretty confused by this tile set. Documented. Grass. Why are there so many? It's a little weird how it's laid out. Why is the background brown? I'm gonna look at the example again. Oh, they just use the edge. Okay. I guess, but there's more than one. Oops. Man, the tile set I picked is not... This is like a smaller one. I could just... I'm just gonna do these middle ones without the dots. because otherwise it's gonna look super weird. Outer. Okay, we're drawing, and it looks good enough. Took us forever to get this far. Okay. So what the hell's that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but like somebody is singing. I don't know. I guess we can like, let's see. Let's do, in Super Mario Brothers, the ground is two tiles high. So I guess I'll do that. Let's do, and then we'll have a taller one. I'm gonna put on my noise canceling because like the super annoying the sound. Let's see. Do I want anything else? I could always do other stuff later. Let's save. Okay. Let's try to put this in the game. All right. Let me make sure that the file's in the folder. Oops. Yep, it's right here. Okay. Okay. So this is the example for loading the tile map. Okay. So it looks like we need to add these two plugins. Add plugins. Oops. Okay, I guess we would do it here. I think I'd rather do that. Oh, I probably need to add an LDtk feature. Probably. Actually, let me see. What am I doing? ECS tile map. Let's see what features they have. What? I expected. I don't know. Let's look at the other repo. Let's look at this one. Take a look at the book. Hi, Mr. Levy. Thank you for the comment. It's good to be back. Create your LDtk project. Okay, we already... Oh, I could have just looked at this. Saved myself a lot of time. From the walls. From the walls layer, select edit rules. Control rule, place. Oh. Wow, I can automatically place the background. That's so cool. I don't know if I don't really need a background though, because it's like outside. Man, people in the Bevy community write such good documentation. This is a lot better than the LDtk documentation. All right, this is the part I want to see. You will spawn. Spawn the camera. Oh my god, did it again. Maybe I shouldn't have used this template. I guess the... Oh, these all have separate files. Where's the camera? trying to find. What? Wait, that's in the library? I wonder why they made a separate library. Okay, well, here's the camera. Let's see if it's similar to what it says. Orthographic projection. Zero 0.5. Oh. Orthographic projection gets added automatically. Let's see what default 2D is. Near -1000. Oh, that's using default 2D. Anyway, I'll do what it says. Sure, let's do this too. I wonder if that's gonna mess up the UI. Oh, I forgot about that. LDtk. Oh, okay. Commands.spawn. Where's this called from? Oh, so setup as a system. Where should I put that? I'm so confused why there's a separate library. Let's just say setup tile map. System. Is that a tuple? Does that work? Seems to be compiling. Oh no, the duck isn't centered anymore. Insert the level selection resource to tell the plugin to spawn the first level. Insert resource. So I guess this would be where do I do that? I guess these plugins, oops, wait. Asset. I guess I'm going to create a new file called levels. Sure. Oh, why? Okay. So actually I should move that to there. Okay. Oh. Let's try to make a plugin. Super. Don't know where I should put it. Startup? Oh, I guess startup. Set up tile map. What the fuck? Cannot find resource handles. Oh. Net resource. Okay, let's try to load our Oh, okay. I'll just put it levels. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if that does anything. Oops. Okay. Hey, we did. It worked. I'm kind of surprised that it worked, actually. Wow. That's pretty cool. I was expecting that to be more difficult. I guess I would want it. Wait, why does it load a gray background? I thought the background would be transparent. Layer settings. I guess everyone else calls that walls. I always call it ground. Let's get rid of these for now. I guess I could. What else in this tile set? Do they have like a sky? Oops, what did I just do? Oh, well, I guess it's not that important right now. Maybe I should try to make it appear when I press play. Wonder how I would do that. What was I trying to do? Oh yeah, I was kind of interested in making it show up when I press play. Yesterday we learned about the different states. So that would be, is there anything in this project called state? Oh. Oh, they already have a thing for spawning the level. What is this thing? There must be a system that uses this. What? Spawn. Whoa. Apply level selection. What else can I put? What if I don't want to spawn a level? Spawn a level. Oh, duh. There's a book. Hi, Colin. Thank you. I am doing well. Thanks for asking. Level selection. Once you have spawn, oh shit. Once you have spawned a bundle, levels you have selected will spawn as children. Highest level option. Oh, well, I guess you don't have to use it. Instead of selecting one level globally. Oh, cool. All right. So I guess the level selection resource is sort of like a high level tool. And there's also lower level ways to do it, but let's just do high level for now. I kind of wish you could set it to nothing. Or I don't know if you can add and remove resources at runtime. Like, why is there not like a no level selection? Oh yeah, I need that. Oh, I know what I need. Wait. think just to cheat, I'm going to move this here. I think, oh wait, no, that's not gonna, that's not gonna work. I can't insert a resource from the world. Register, remove resource. Insert resource. Let's see if that works. Play. We did it. Now we press play, it shows the level. Oh, they find. I think they stopped playing music. All right, so we found out we can insert resources at runtime. I guess that means if I want to remove a level, I can remove the resource. What was I doing? Oh yeah. This one. I need this. This is another. Wait, jump to the top. This is another really good Bevy tool. Stick that in. And then we have to figure out how to use that. Add plugins, row inspector. Oops. Do I have to do anything else? Is that all I have to do? Let's see. What? Should be able to be spun. Oh, this is the volume. Let's put the volume way lower. Where's this used? Play. Wait, there's credits? You can beat this game? Oh, if you press escape. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, so now in this window we have, we can look at all of the entities. So let's spawn the tile map. Let's see. We should see the level. Where is it? What? Where's the level thing? Where is level selection? Does it like have to be specifically registered or something? Player, is that the duck? Where's the map? Is this the map? Oh yeah, this must be the map. Children. Collision. Collision is the name of the layer, so that must be the like the tile layer. Layer metadata. C grid size 6. No, it's the tile size. I think I'm gonna stop the music. I forgot the music was even running. to resource. That should stop the music. What? Ugh. The duck is my favorite character too. Oh, come on. Just because I commented the music, it's not working. This template is now it's making me mad. Okay, let's... If we put the resource and then we comment... All right. Wait, where'd he go? Okay. All right. Wait, why am I putting these on? This is my favorite part of making games, is just like all the weird stuff. Just all the weird stuff that you see. It's the best part. And now I'm happy that it's like being captured on video now. All right, we finished the game. This is the complete game. And I like that the background is like, I don't know, cool. I guess since we have a duck, oh, there's so much different stuff I could do. I could fix the camera. I would need to do the camera. I would have to decide how many vertical tiles to show on screen. I don't remember. If I just want to see how many tiles are on screen because I can't remember. No, the original Nintendo. God, show me. Why is it going? Oh, it's going so slow because my internet is slow from the streaming. Can I tell from that one? How many tiles is that? Man, sometimes I like don't even know what I'm doing. Probably because I worked all day. what I'm trying to do is like figure out how many vertical tiles there are. But all these images are like weird sizes. So I can't just use a grid. Is it 15? I think it might be 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, it's 15. Where the fuck was the camera? Oh. Spawn the camera. All right, let's make SMB has 15 vertical tiles. So if we want to make it like the same, it says my stream status is poor now. Orthographic. Wait. I know what I could do. Oh, it's still running. Oh. Where's the camera? Camera 2D? What? There's no orthographic. Let's try changing the scale. Yes. Scaling mode. Fixed vertical. Oh my god, what happened? We lost it. Does that mean if I change the wind? What's the calculation here? Viewport origin. Then you also have the transform. So you can move with the transform or the viewport origin. What's 1 divided by... That can't be right. That can't be right. No. Scale. Man, I don't remember anything. I'm sure people looking at this are like so confused if you just like entered the what the hell is the calculation for that? Wait, I actually need it to be... I want it to scale with the window. Why isn't it scaling with the window? What happens if I do... Oh my god. Where are you? None of this does anything. You would think if I set it to window size, it would like be the right one. Let's see. With a scale of 1, lengths in world units will map 1 to 1 with the number of pixels used to render it. Manually specify this. Keep the projection's height constant. Arguments are in world units. Isn't that what I want? So if I set it to auto min, oops. Whoa. We're doing something. Okay. I feel like I want it based on the height though. What happens if I reset? Okay, so if I like drag it evenly, the size stays the same. If I change it to min height, five, 12. Wait, 15 times 16. What? What if I put it to 480? And then I move it. Is that right? It looks really big. I don't know if that's too big. $240. Now the width is affecting it. 0. 480. I think 480 is the most mathematically sound number. If I say scaling mode. .80. And then why is it 720 divided by 4? Man, I do not know what I'm doing. Oh, what's happening? What? It's not letting me add a scaling mode? Oh, is that part of... Oh, shit. It's part of this. I'm still recovering from a sickness. Man, I don't know how to do anything. 120? Why is it 120? 480. It's 40 divided by... Why is it divided by 4? Oh. Oh, I think it's because the pixel values are all like doubled. It's alright, because my screen is like a retina display, so like the pixel values are doubled, and you're putting you would normally divide by 2 to put in the middle, I think, but you divide it by 4 because the pixel values are doubled. And what is the correct translation? Oh no, we can't even see the duck. The duck is hidden. Poor duck. Translation is y 212. Let's just pretend I don't know what I'm doing. Let's comment that and just put 214. I don't know, whatever. I actually find the splash screen annoying. I wish I could. Oh wait, now the duck is here. It's interesting because he's rendering behind the ground, but in front of the gray. That's very interesting. Well, I think we're doing all right. We're making progress. I should like create an entity presets. I don't know. Oh, this adds an entity. Hero. Spawn. Editor visual. Let's do. Wait. This one. Wait, how do I add an entity layer? Visual options. Okay. I feel. Is it yellow? Close. Let's put extra entity infos. They can't change it to info. Save. All right. Now we have a spawn point. How do we read that spawn point from the code? Which book is this? Yeah, this is the book I want. I'm starting to get tired. Ugh. This features for placing gameplay. I don't need to place an object. I just want to read an object. Spawn sprites. You may have noticed that the player is not rendered. Create a player. LDtk entity. What? Are those in the map? Let's see here. Design some of those. Oh. Add a goal entity. No. Add a player entity. Be sure to name it player. But that's just gonna spawn a sprite. I don't want to spawn a sprite. Add marker. Okay, I don't want tile-based movement. I just want to know how to like read the entity layer and find out where the entity is in the tile map. But I don't know. Try to define entities as worldly. I think I may have to save this part for another day. It's never too late to learn something. So if you had trouble in school with computer science, you can still learn it now if you want. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day on the game dev side. We did make we made some progress today. Let's take a look at our work and be proud. Now the duck is gone. I'm really sad when the duck gets spawned behind the background. I'm gonna try again. Yes, okay, he's back. All right, this is our work. This is our work for today. We learned how to create a tile map. We learned how to import the tile map into Bevy. And a few other small things like setting up this inspector. So I'd say it's a pretty good day. And all that on top of working full-time job. All right. So thanks everybody for joining for today, and not sure if I don't know. Again, I'm not going to follow a schedule, so I'll just pop back on when I want to. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good night.